fixing common YouTube playback issues. Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix those annoying YouTube playback issues on your phone. If your videos keep buffering or won't load, this quick fix will help. Make sure to watch till the end, and let's dive in. First things first, try refreshing the app. Close the YouTube app completely by swiping it away from your recent apps list, and then reopen it. Sometimes a simple restart is all it needs. Now let's check your internet connection. Make sure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi network or mobile data. If you're on mobile data, try switching to Wi-Fi if possible, or toggle airplane mode on and off to reset your connection. Still not working? It's time to adjust the video quality. Sometimes YouTube plays videos in high quality, and if your connection is slow, it can cause buffering. While the video is playing, tap on the three dots in the top right corner of the player, select Quality, and choose a lower resolution like 480p or 360p. Another thing to check is if you have any apps running in the background. Close out any unnecessary apps because they can drain your phone's performance, affecting YouTube playback. You can do this by swiping up or pressing the Recent Apps button and swiping away apps you're not using. And hey, if none of this is working, try updating the YouTube app. Open the Google Play Store or App Store, search for YouTube, and see if there's an update available. Updating the app can fix bugs and improve performance. Lastly, if all else fails, restart your phone. A quick reboot can fix so many glitches, and YouTube playback might just work again after that. And that's it, guys. I hope these fixes help you get your YouTube videos playing smoothly again. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. See you in the next one.